Hi, so I wanted to show you how you can get your Hostess reward on the computer. So first go to your regular mail, mine is Gmail, and on the search bar, you could search host invite. And then that way it's going to show the email that when you first created um, your nail bar or when your stylist created your nail bar, she sent you one of these. So right here, it's the one that I'm going to work with today. And as you can see right here, it says this is where you have to go, the vo.colorstreet.com. And this is the email that this person used. I like to copy the email just in case you have more than one email. Click right here where it says the vo.colorstreet.com. You click over there and it's going to take you not to this screen. Let's sign out and try that again. Okay, so you're here, you click there, and it's going to take you to this screen. You see, as you could tell, I was already here, but let's just start from scratch and enter the email. You enter your password, and it will bring you to this screen. Now, if you have a question, and what if I don't have my password, okay? You could always use the forgot password, and it would take you to the steps on how to get to that. But if you remember your password, you will get to this screen right here where it's showing that this is the party that I had. It's an open party. You sold $323. You have free shipping, 3 half-price items, 15% of the 323. You will go to create your host order right here. Click there, and this is just kind of telling you that once you place this order, no one can order from that particular link anymore. If you decide to just cancel this host order, you had to stop in the middle of it, it's fine. You could just do that on this page. So let's say, you know what, I'm not ready to order yet. You just cancel this host order. Otherwise, if you're ready, let's go shopping. I have a few things that I wanted to add to this one. So let me start from right at the end. I like going right at the end just because it will show which ones are out of stock. There you go. So I'll start from the ones that are available. I will like one of this, and you can kind of do the count, like how many can I get? It's usually like for $300 sales, it's usually about 5, 6 sets. So that's my second one. Let's see, what else do I want? I do want this pink one, and then you just keep adding there. I'm at 4 already, it adds up quick. Let's see. And I know I wanted one of the Valentine color ones, which is up here somewhere. Right there, love letter. So right now I have 6. Let's go to your shopping bag. See your total. As you can see here, you used on the bottom here, it will tell you, you used 3 of the half orders. That's everything that you had. You used everything. You have 0 remaining, and you used all your credit. So your total right now, it's $4.05. So if you want to take advantage of the, free shipping because you sold over 300, you can always just go and add more to this. Or if you're like, you know what, I just wanted to get all my free stuff, then this is great. 405 will be your total. So what do you do now? Go to checkout, and you would enter if you already have your address there listed, you would just, ship to this address. Otherwise, you just enter information. So we are going to ship to this address. Continue. Now it's time to pay. So because of the estimated tax, it brought you to $4.29 for 6 different sets. And you could do PayPal, or you could add a credit card. I actually already have a credit card entered here. So I would just enter my credit card. And now you are at the shipping, which is showing right here. Shipping is $0. Your total is $4.29. All you have to do is click place your order. So if this is what you want to do, then there we go, all done. Hope this was easy for you to follow. Bye.